Hello everyone, welcome to ThinkComputer YouTube channel. In this video, I will give an introduction to Scratch programming. This video is meant for the class 5 ICSE students, but others can also learn from this video. I have already uploaded a video in which I have explained how you can download and install the Scratch application in your smartphone or in your PC. Now this is a new series, so I will be uploading more videos on Scratch soon. So before we actually begin discussing about Scratch programming, let us first understand that what is a program, what is a programming language, and what is the need of having a programming language. So as we already know that the computer uses the machine level language, which is also known as low level language, or we can say binary. In binary, every instruction is in form of zeros and ones, where 0 means low voltage and 1 means high voltage. Whereas humans means us, we use different languages which are suitable for us. For example, we use English, German, French, and other languages, even mathematics also. Now the problem is that a computer cannot directly communicate with humans because we are using high level language and the computer uses the machine level language. So in order for us to communicate with the computer, there is need of a software which is called a translator. Now this translator program is converting human language to machine language and machine language to human language. So now we can give instruction in our language and the translator can convert it to the language of the computer, and then the output which the computer will give can also be converted back to our language. But then how we will write it, how we will write the instructions, for that we need the program. So basically we humans, we use the programs to give instructions to the computer, which is converted to the machine language using the translator. Then the computer can give us the output back in our language, which is human language, again by using a translator. So program is used to give instructions to the computer. We can say now that a program is basically a set of instructions, and we can say that a programming language is a language which is used to write computer programs. Now there are many programming languages, but why Scratch? The question is why we are starting to learn Scratch. So the answer is Scratch is a programming language which can be used to create interactive stories, games, animation, etc. It is very easy to learn and anyone can use it to create programs just by dragging blocks of code. So there is no need to write commands by own. In any programming language, when you need to give instruction, you need to write commands, and those commands are strictly according to the programming language. But if you have just started to learn programming, it's very difficult to remember so many commands. So why not have the commands already prepared and just use it wherever you need, you just drag and drop the command. That is how the Scratch programming language works, and that is what makes it a very easy programming language. Any program that you need to do, you just have to drag and drop the code. Now in my next video, I will explain the components of Scratch, and in my previous video I have told that there are different versions of Scratch like Scratch 1.4, Scratch 2 and Scratch 3. For my all videos of Scratch programming, I will be using the Scratch 2.0. So stay tuned for the next video.